What is strategy? Arey, leave the book. Tell me what is strategy.
I'm still trying to demystify.
How about you? What is strategy?
Dude, it's all about Harvard Business Review.
What is strategy?
It's all about skipping my breakfast, yaar.
Huh?
What is strategy?
What is strategy?
So guys, have you learned it already? What is strategy? What have we learned from strategy? Seriously dude, it's been an hour.
They are not able to tell anything. I think we have to go and ask the batch.
तो चल ना फिर.
Chalo.
Let's go.
Get lost.
अपना पढ़ते हैं.
In strategy, what I've learned the most is market differentiation. Market differentiation, I'm saying it because I've learned it hard way. Our group was doing very well in Markstat class till 4th round, but then we lost focus. We tried to imitate others instead of focusing on our strategy and creating a competitive position for ourselves. We tried to imitate others and went for taking loans, and in the end we performed very badly. So this is the thing which will be there.
So Mittal, what is strategy?
Strategy, oh my god. Strategy. Based upon the lectures here, along with the guest lectures as well, what I understand what is strategy is, the strategy is how a company plays itself uniquely in the competitive market by giving a unique product to its customers. So this is what the strategy of a company should be and should mean. So that's it. हंसी आ जाता है यार.
But after attending his lectures and the guest lectures he brought, my whole notion about this subject changed. And it all culminated into when I attended the Markstrat simulation session during the last lecture. And so all my fundamentals which were there in my mind, I actually put to test all those things in the Markstrat simulation session. And when in the beginning few rounds, what I saw was that even after applying all the best fundas, what I learned, the things were not working, and we fell beyond the 1,000 share price limit. And at last, what all worked was nothing. You have to be different from others. That is all what product differentiation and positioning of your product is about. This is what I learned the most in strategy.
At the end of the day, we won the Markstrat competition, and it was a great learning experience, a lot of fun working with really shrewd guys, and I think our stock price went up to.
Hi guys, so today is the last day of our strategy class, unfortunately. So I want to share my experience about strategy class. So when I have seen Dr. Kapoor, I thought that something will be different in his class, and the same thing turned out. So after coming in his class, the NMP course actually start rolling out. Things start getting up and down. So earlier we are not disciplined. He taught us how to get disciplined, and there are many ups and downs in his class which we have not felt in any other class. So it's totally fun. And after attending so many classes, I remembered one dialogue from Amir Khan's movie Gulam. लहरों के साथ तो कोई भी तैर लेता है, लहरों के साथ तो कोई भी तैर लेता है, पर असली इंसान वो है जो लहरों को चीर कर आगे बढ़ता है. So I think.
What is strategy?